Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's December the 15th, 2021. We're going to talk about one cryptocurrency today, Harmony One. We're going to see whether or not are we going to continue to see a collapse in price in the market for Harmony One, because if so, if we're expecting the price to go up, we want to get out the way. We want to make sure that we at least bag some profitability as price continues to be on the decline. Well, welcome to HueFin. Also, we're known as HueFin News, the only spot, the location that's going to get a realistic price prediction in the cryptocurrency space. I'm not here to give you a whole lot of fluff, FUD, FOMO. I don't care about all of that information. I simply pay attention to the price to determine where price is going to go. So if you guys want to see if Harmony One is going to continue to go lower, keep it locked in here. Hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe to our channel. Join this team, join this fantastic team, because this is what we do. We call price movements, we call price predictions so that we know and expect price movements so that we can win in the market. So check this out. December the 4th was the last time I did a video on Harmony One, and I wanted to stand back. I wanted to wait and see what the market really wanted to do. So I didn't do a price prediction, right? And there are times to where you come and look at a market and there's nothing there. You don't need to expect the price to go up or even expect the price to come down. You just simply need to chill out, let the market continue to work and play until you get a little bit more information to see what the market is trying to do. Well, we got a couple more days since then, and now we should be able to get an actual account as to what the market is trying to do. So let's try to talk about that real quick. So now, since December the 4th, okay, since that time, the market in Harmony One has fell below this crucial area of support. And I was telling you all then that 22 cents, as price came down here and tested on December the 4th, we needed to allow the price to stay above it, right? Because the market could not do it. So now we already understand that we're not maybe as strong as what we used to be, right? The market in Harmony One may not be as strong. And we got to face the facts. The price is telling us that. And once you recognize price and believe price for what it is, you don't have to be confused. You don't have to sit back and wonder, well, why is price going down in Harmony One? What's the reason? There's so much positive things going on. There's so much positive news going on. Why in the world is the price going down in Harmony One? It's simple. People just don't want to buy it. That's all. When there's no interest, price comes down. And price came down on December the 5th, right? We broke that area of support in Harmony One at 22 cents. So I'm not all that bullish. I'm not all that expecting to see price go up in Harmony One. I'm not. Now, given that that's the case, you guys can't even tell that back in July, we were also tracking Harmony One's price, right? We was looking at price to maintain this upward ascending line, and even in that realm, we broke the trend in that realm too. So that's like two strikes against those who are looking for the price in Harmony One to go up. So as of this particular moment, we cannot be expecting the market to go up in Harmony One. That's cool. I mean, there's no harm, no foul. We can actually tell based on what price has done since our last video. So if we're not looking for the price to go up in Harmony One, then what's the next best thing that we can expect, right? What's the next best thing? Right, expect consolidational trading. We need to expect the market in Harmony One to give us some sideways trading, and then maybe in the beginning of 2022, second quarter 2022, we may actually see the price go back up, right? That's the next best thing, because outside of price consolidating and trading sideways, the next thing is for price to continue to go down. So let's go ahead and create this real quick, okay? Because the market here in Harmony One is not in an upward trend. So we need to transpose that line and actually use it to what the market has already created. And we already saw back there on December the 5th, right? Let me show you. The market in Harmony One actually came and bounced off of 14 cents. Now, I like 14 cents. I even like this area here for support as well too. So I'm bringing it down to 11. Okay. Now, this is what I'm expecting. This is that sideways trading that we can expect the market to do in Harmony One. We can expect it to come in and bounce in between these two lines, right? Until the market either breaks below it or price will break above it. That's the next option that we're expecting the market to do in Harmony One. Now, let's take a look at the market over the last couple of days. I mean, are you seeing indications of market strength in Harmony One right now? That's the question. Because we're trying to answer this question on the title of this video. Are we expecting the market price to collapse in Harmony One? let's take a look at these last couple of days right here, because we actually get an indication as to what the market is trying to do. It tells us. And can you really tell weakness from those last couple of trading days? Are you seeing weakness here in Harmony 1? Because if so, then we need to be prepared and let the market continue to go down and not participate if you're looking for the price to go up. But if we're seeing strength, then guess what? We need to jump on board and ride the market higher in prices if we're looking for the price to go up. So basically, I would say from December the 6th all the way to the current day, I don't see that much weakness. I don't. I see indications to where selling occurred, but the buyers continue to step in to keep the price propped up above 16 cents, right? The buyers are there around 16 cents, and they're not willing to drop the price in Harmony 1. That's a very good thing to see over the last couple of trading days. This is it on a 3-day time frame. All right, so things look kind of different on a 3-day time frame, to the point to where I don't want you all to think that we are massively bullish. I don't want you all to think that. Don't even go that far, okay? Because this market, obviously, in Harmony 1 starting since October, is in a downtrend. So I don't want you all to think that we're going to shoot up to the moon. I don't want you all to think that we're going to shoot up to 50 cents, like so many of these YouTubers try to get you all to think that the price is going to go to tomorrow. No. But we understand that the buyers are through. They're coming. They are here around 16 cents. And as long as they hold the market around 16 cents, guess what? We're going to expect this price to continue to go up in Harmony 1. Now, given that that's the case, right? If we're looking for the market in Harmony 1 to go up in price, where do you think the next area is to see selling? Where do you think the sellers are at? That's a very logical question. Like, if you're looking for the price to go up, you will want to know where the sellers are at, right? So that you can jump off the ship before it sinks. It's around here. Okay, they're around 19 to 20 cents. That's where the first sellers are located in the market in Harmony 1. So I actually like what's going on a shorter time frame. So when I spread this time frame out to like 3 days, 5 days, weekly time frame, there's still weakness there. So this price prediction is not for that duration. We're playing this on a shorter time frame because this is where I'm seeing the indications of market strength. Now, can it transition over to the 3 day, 5 day, weekly time frame? Yeah, we sure can. We can definitely see that. But as of this moment, we're going to play this on a shorter time frame, and we're going to look at this to hold 16 cents, right? Now, I'll be cool even if the market price in Harmony 1 was to dip back down to 14. I'll be cool with that because I understand that that's the last point where the buyers really came into the market and propped up the price. Okay. And I got two areas of TP. 20 cents is first. My second area is going to be 22 cents. Right up here to the last point of what I mentioned on December the 4th, that price needed to stay above, but it didn't. That's the ultimate restriction point. It might come down a little bit lower, right around 21. So let me give you it's in 1 cent increments. All right, 20 cents is first area for us to lead off the market. So let me zoom in and show it to you. 20 cents is first. Okay, that gives us around 10%. 21 cents is second, gives us 15.5% profitability. And then 22 cents is the last place for us to really grab the bag. 21% right there. Okay, now let me go ahead and switch this back over to the daily time frame so you all can see the expectations that we're trying to expect the market in Harmony 1 to do so that we can be in position. All right, so I kind of like what's been going on recently. I think we got a little more momentum to let price go up, but I'm not going to be extremely bullish until we see price break above 22 cents. All right, so now it's your turn. You're part of our team. You know, drop your price prediction on this video. Leave us a comment and tell everyone where do you think the price in Harmony 1 is going to go without the confusion. All right, make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.